This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enlarge your toolbox icons in Gimp. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Gimp here. I have Gimp opened up now. If you look off to the upper left-hand corner, you can see my toolbox icons here. By default, as you can see, they're set pretty small. You could actually increase the size of those icons. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Edit tab, click on Edit. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences, and click on Preferences. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side in the Interface section, you want to make sure that your Interface section is expanded. And the very top thing here, Theme, you want to click on Theme. Then, on the center pane here of the dialog box, you want to make sure this box is checked right here next to Override Icon Sizes Set by Theme. Make sure that box is checked, and then down below that, you could set your icons to medium, large, or huge. I usually keep mine on about medium, but you could just use your own preference for it. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on OK. That is how to change the size of your toolbox icons in Gimp. Thanks for watching.